Good day, everyone. My title of my report is about paper title and keywords. So, first slide, the research team must create an original title for the research paper that is also adequately informative to educate readers of the topic and the field of the study. Usually, this will require 10 words or more and some specific information of the research field. So commonly now, if we read a research title, their title consists many words because it's required between 5 and 15 words, and make sure your title will be comprehensive to the readers, even they not expert in your field. And also make sure do not put unnecessary words in your title. Next slide. The paper's keywords are significant for a variety of reasons. So these are the two importance of reasons. First, web-based search engines will employ them so that this new paper will be easily accessed by the right readership. So first, other researchers, they use software system so that they can easily access by the readers. So for example, the researchers use keywords and found it in the internet. So the readers also can be flexible what's in their paper. So second, the keywords are the frequently utilized to choose reviewers. So it's main must be need to identify specific keywords so that they can relate the subject and the expertise required for the review. Next slide, the disadvantage of reviewing process and might result in the potential for the publication to be rejected because the reviewers lack expertise in this particular field of the study. So means that there is a risk that the publicate could be rejected because the reviewer assigned to the evaluate it do not have efficient expertise or no knowledge in the specific field of the study that the readers can relate. So in other words, if the readers lack the necessary and if the readers lack of the necessary understand of the title, they may not be read the paper. So next is the acceptable of articles containing significant error that may not be withdrawn later. So mean is the acceptance of articles with significant error is not ideal, that it could possible happen. The third one is long delay because an increasing number of the chosen reviewers decline to examine the manuscript because it is beyond their area to expertise. So the accordingly now the review process is taking longer, which can have an effect on the paper that will be published. It also suggests that it is getting harder to locate reviewers who are qualified to access the article and have the necessary experience. Next slide. This is a note about. This is all about note. So, which mean note that each paper's reviewers are often suggested by an assistant editor. This is a significant task that is frequently carried out on a volunteer basis. There is some pressure to associate editors and viewers to decide on the review quickly such that there is little time between submission and decision. So acceptance, meaning acceptance means or reject. Careful if important aspect to secure positively timely outcome to the review process. So meaning there's limited time between submission and decision because the associate editors are and reviewers are under time limit. As a result, also it crucial to proceed with a caution to guarantee a successful procedure outcome. So example number one, the paper was written by the research team. Look forward mentioned in the references cited in the paper. Choose acceptable keywords for the new papers from this. So these are the number one examples. As they cited in a paper in a references and they choose a keywords for the new paper from this list. So these are the example number two. A researchers looking for a keywords related to a specific topic in order to develop a research paper. For this, for example, a researcher is studying the effects of climate change on the agriculture may use keywords research to identify related. So the researchers pick in related topics such as agriculture adaptation or the climate resilient farming. Those are the number two example. And example number three, the keyword should contain words and phrases that suggest what the topic is about. Also include words and phrases that are closely related to your topic. For example, if the paper is about diseases, so the researcher use like stroke, circular system, blood, and etc. That's all.